Hello and welcome to another special remote edition Muddy River Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie, this is Caroline. We're at our house today, not at the distillery. We're practicing, what do you call it?
Social distancing.
Social distancing.
I've all lost it there.
If we don't have to be at work, we're not going to be at work. We are still producing rum, but
we'll see how the week goes. Maybe not by the end of the week.
Yeah, maybe not by the end of the week. But we're still going strong, and hope you guys are. We've got a really special cocktail for you guys to enjoy at home with the family. So Caroline, since we're stuck at the house, what are we making today?
Today we're doing the Solitary Slushy. So this is a fruit smoothie that you can make for the whole family, but for the parents you can, add a little nook for yourself at the end.
So this will be made non-alcoholic for the kids and alcoholic afterwards. We're going to mix it all in together, right?
Yeah.
For this one.
Yeah, we're just going to make it then after.
What rum are we
end.
using for this?
Well, since a lot of people are having a forced spring break now and people missing vacations, that kind of
vacations,
thing. Yeah, we're going to take it a little tropical and use our coconut rum and pretend like we're on a tropical vacation.
So, alright, we're going to start with coconut rum. How much of that do we do? 4 ounces?
No, we're going to add that at the end.
Oh, we're not.
So we can make it non-alcoholic. So for this, we're going to use some frozen fruit. A lot of people stocked up on frozen stuff for the quarantine. So I'm going to do about 3 cups of just a mixed fruit from the grocery store. 3 cups of that. And 1 cup of just plain yogurt. I'm using plain here, but I've tried it with all different kinds. Sometimes I'll do key lime yogurt or even vanilla. Or if I'm just doing a single serving, I'll use a single serve of any yogurt as well. So that, and then we don't have our fancy blender. It's at the distillery, so I'm gonna do a whole thing of pineapple juice in there, because this blender is not good at mixing frozen stuff, shockingly.
This is already smelling pretty awesome. We've never even put rum in it yet.
Yes, getting a good dose of fruit. Oh, I actually read pineapple juice has more vitamin C than oranges, so.
Fun fact.
Yeah.
Caroline's fun fact.
Yeah, see, 120% vitamin C.
Might as well be a million. No scurvy here. Okay, so we got that in. Now we're ready to go, right?
Yeah. Pineapple juice, yogurt, fruit. I'll blend it all up.
This will definitely wake the baby up. So this is a family-friendly version.
Yes.
And you put it in the...
Yeah, that's it. Just pour it in here, and then we'll add the rum on top and mix it in.
Okay.
And then the leftovers can go to Marty, our kid.
Of course.
He is gonna love it. Get a perfect amount left.
Perfect consistency.
Yes.
Alright, there's
then
rum in that thing.
put some rum. Alright. Just gonna do 2 ounces of rum. Have to mix it in there real good. Or, it can just be a floater on top.
With the coconut, you definitely do just a floater. Let's mix it.
Yeah. So very just going with the flow during the quarantine. And cut up a little orange for garnish. Didn't have any umbrellas, but that would be cool too. Fabulous.
Cool.
All right. Cheers to our health and staying healthy.
The Solitary Smoothie.
Solitary Smoothie.
That's a good one. Well, we hope you guys like this video. We hope you guys are practicing, what is it again?
Social distancing.
Social distancing. Can't get that in my head. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, Muddy River Mixology Monday. We've got plenty of drink options for you guys to use during these weird times. Also, don't forget to shop, eat, and drink local. This is the perfect time to enforce that. We're at your local liquor store, and if you don't see us, please ask for us.
Yeah, and we're thinking about our bar and restaurant friends. You guys hold tight, and hopefully we'll all make it out on the other side of this.
Cheers to that. I'll drink that. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.
Stay healthy, y'all.
Nailed it.
Hello, my name is Marty. I'm Marty.
Bring that in here. The blender definitely woke the baby up. Little baby, little Marty. Hey, 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 hey. Drink rum every day.